Okay, today at Scavenge and Sell we have a Sony DCR-TRV230 digital video camcorder. The device is in really good shape. It's nice and clean. We tested the functions. Everything seems to work. Record, playback. Just real quick, we'll just do a quick recording here. Make sure I'm in the right mode. Camera. See the display, do the record, test 1, 2, a couple pan around the room here a little bit, stop the recording here, rewind, back to playback, back, rewind a bit. Play back the pan of the room here. Test 1, 2. Couple pan around the room here a little bit. You can see it does work. We've got the manual with it. Got a little bit of wear on the manual, but all pages seem to be here. It's in pretty decent shape. A couple of tapes will come with it. They've been used before. I don't have any sealed tapes with it. Power supplies with it, and all important remote, and a little carry case too. That's it. Check out the auction.